In 1971, John found a job in Nairobi, Kenya, in the same line of business. They found themselves in a different world, having moved from 30 degrees north of the equator to on the equator, from cloudy to bright blue skies, from few to abundant vast range of wild animals, from greeny hills to rugged relatively drier countryside with mountains way beyond what Yorkshire can offer, and from a small do-it-yourself to a large home with spacious gardens, servants, large security dogs, common amongst expats whom they socialised with. However, Quilley was legally not entitled to work there, although she managed to act as the treasurer of the railway players. John and Quilley, members of the railway players, performed in charity shows called Old Time Musical. Quilley also experimented with cannabis and a little more. See video Quilley Kenya Railway Players. Their adventures included exploring Central East Africa, such as the Rift Valley and Mombasa, as well as visits to Italy, Tanzania, and Cyprus. They exchanged a 4-meter-long spear from a local inhabitant who used it for hunting, now displayed in the atrium of Quilley's last abode. See video Kenyan Socials and Trips.